Press and hold the power button for Unit 1 and Unit 2 for 3 seconds to turn on Unit 1 and Unit 2. Press and hold the power button on device Unit 1 for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Open the EJEAS app. Click the top right corner to pair devices. After finding the X10 Phantom Plus, click to pair with the app to pair automatically. The same operation was performed on machine number 2. Click on the Mesh module to pair. One as a slave machine. One as the main machine. After successful pairing, click here. A group will be automatically generated. Then, click on the group. Click here to start 5G Intercom. The 5G logo will be displayed here. This means it has been opened successfully.
EJEAS, ride the wind and chase the dream with safety as the guard.